In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom columns on Monday.com. Custom columns are one of the most powerful ways to tailor your boards to fit your exact workflow, whether you're managing projects, tracking clients, or organizing content. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add any type of column you need and understand what's happening at each step so you can confidently customize your own boards. Let's start on any board in your Monday.com account. Look toward the far right side of your table view. You'll see a small plus icon that represents Add Column. This is your main entry point for creating new columns. Go ahead and click that plus icon. You may see a quick list of a few commonly used column types appear right away. Instead of choosing from those default suggestions, look for the option labeled More Columns at the bottom of that dropdown. Click on More Columns. This opens the full column center where you can explore every available column type, including some that are more advanced or specialized. At the top of this column center, you'll see a search bar. This is where you can quickly find exactly what you need without scrolling through everything. Click into the search field and start typing the type of column you're looking for. For example, you might type Formula if you want to create calculated values, Drop Down if you need a predefined list of options, or File if you want to attach documents directly inside the board. As you type, Monday.com will filter the results in real time. This makes it easier to discover the right column type, even if you're not fully sure of the exact name. Take a moment to read the short descriptions under each result so you understand what each column does before you add it. Once you've found the column type you want, hover over it and click Add to Board. As soon as you do this, Monday.com will insert that new column to the right side of your existing columns on the board. From here, you can rename the column by clicking on its header, drag it left or right to reposition it, and start entering data that matches the column's purpose. If it doesn't feel quite right, you can always delete it and repeat the process to try a different column type. That's all there is to it. By using the Add Column icon, exploring more columns, searching for the exact type you need, and then adding it to your board, you can shape Monday.com to match the way you actually